Welcome back everybody, and welcome to another video. And this is part of the mini series where I go around tasting and giving my personal opinion on different supplements, protein powders, protein bars, BCAA'S, pre-workouts and so forth. So today we're going to be reviewing the EFECTIV with a V Sports Nutrition Premium Whey, and this is the raspberry and white chocolate flavor. So this is what it looks like, and let's look at the macros. So this is 100% high quality whey protein, like I said, raspberry and white chocolate flavor, and the macros are per serving 112 calories, 1.1 fat, 1.4 carbs, and 24 of the protons. So we're not going to have this now, we're going to have this after the gym workout tomorrow. So stay tuned, that will be tomorrow, but for all of you it will be right now. Welcome back, post-workout, and we're going for these EFECTIV raspberry and white chocolate premium whey protein. First time we've tried this brand, so let's give it a try. Open the seal, got a shaker cup full of water here, but we're actually gonna, as recommended, go up to the line here, 200 mils. Actually, that smells very good. Very milk chocolatey and raspberry. Ooh, maybe, let's see, it might be interesting. We won't be able to check mixability as such because we just can't see, but we'll be able to taste if there's any lumps in there. So I reckon, no, I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but there are still a few lumps at the bottom there. Better. That should be okay. So quite a lot of shaking needed with the EFECTIV. Let's smell that once again. It smells really nice. You know what? That is not too bad actually. So definitely a strong raspberry taste. The actual whey protein, in my opinion, is hardly there, so that's a good thing. And it's very strange because it's white chocolate, but I almost get white chocolate, like a Milky Bar taste at the beginning when I sip, and then halfway through almost I get a milk chocolate. So it's almost like you taste it, you get the raspberry first, then you get a white chocolate, and then you get a milk chocolate afterwards. So it's very strange, but in fairness to EFECTIV, I do get the raspberry, I do get the white choc, and I get the choc. So I am actually very impressed with this protein shake. What have we got? We got a whey protein isolate, whey protein concentrate, a hydrolyzed whey protein isolate, beetroot coloring, freeze-dried raspberry powder, and sweeteners, emulsifiers, etc., etc. Doesn't tell you exactly what percentage isolate, concentrate, and hydrolyze, but isolate is the first ingredient, concentrate the second, and hydrolyzed is the third. Also advertised in here 5.5 grams of BCAA'S in a serving. So, you know what? I wouldn't maybe buy a big tub, but if you do get these sample bottles, I would recommend it just to try it out, because it is quite interesting and quite unique. So, raspberry and white chocolate flavor from EFECTIV gets my thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you did. Bye bye for now.